So our first diamond play button got a little bit broken. So in this video, we are gonna try and melt it down, turn it into a trophy.
You may have followed some of our adventures with our diamond play button. It had some issues. We made a mold of it and that worked pretty well. Then cleaning it up, the diamond part in the middle just kind of comes out, and then one of Grant's children might have dropped it a little bit, and so it broke there, and I nicked it a little bit while we were trying to make the mold, and so the surface got a little messed up. And overall, this thing has had a stressful life, even as short as it's been. So we think that we're gonna do something else with it. You can see this is, it's got our name on it, the King of Random. Congratulations on passing 10 million subscribers from YouTube. It's all very nice and official. I saw a video where the backyard scientist had a whole pool full of Orbeez and he poured some molten aluminum into it, and what came out looked really awesome. So I was thinking we want to try and do that.
So here's the basic idea. We're pretty sure that it is mainly made out of aluminum. So we're gonna try and melt it down in our furnace and then pour it into a bucket of Orbeez to make a really cool shape.
It fits directly in, but then there would be nothing to contain it.
Yeah.
And if it melted, it would just all puddle at the bottom of our furnace, and that's no good. So we've got a stainless steel pot. We're just gonna set this right on top and hope that all of that propane power will get up into the button and melt it down. And then this is some form of glass. We're just gonna put all of it in and see what happens to it.
Bye, diamond play button.
To try and keep some of the heat in, we are going to put another metal bucket up on top of it. Hopefully that'll make things go a little bit faster because this is a large block of metal. And we'll just check in on it every 10 minutes or so. Ha-ha!
Yeah!
You're going down, buddy. Down.
Okay, that's still hard. Oh, I'm not really poking a hole in it, but I can scrape this off. There's still something solid in the middle there.
Yeah, it's definitely not melted all the way through.
Clean it off the diamond play and the diamond button. Keep it safe. Save yourself, little buddy.
That is a lot of liquid aluminum. All right, first a tiny bit to see if it's gonna like splash or anything.
No.
That's awesome.
Okay, keep going, keep going.
Oh. Now it's a lot of steam. Oh, I think we've melted through the side of the bucket. Orbeez are escaping.
We lost everything.
No, we haven't. Much of it is still in there.
Keep going. You can still make something really cool out of this. This side's not melted yet. Keep.
Oh, our poor $3 bucket. And so many Orbeez.
Oh, wow. But that's already doing something really cool.
Okay, I gotta say, I actually did see that coming kind of. That's why our white bucket is sitting in another bucket. The other bucket is full of sand. I more suspected the problem would be that the aluminum would go down to the bottom and melt through, but it reached the side and unsurprisingly destroyed the side of the bucket and just poured play button all over the ground. Oh man, the second bucket has also started melting because the aluminum did pour out onto the sand and is just pressing right there now.
This is really cool. So you can actually see over on this side, the Orbeez caught, and I can't tell if this is aluminum and plastic both, but they're still there. So once we're able to actually get the Orbeez out of this and clean it all up, we're gonna have something really weird. I kind of feel like I'm just standing in a steam shower right now. It's incredibly hot still. But look at this pattern you've got happening. This looks like something alien.
Well, here's one part.
No! You went too far, there's a hole in the bottom too! What did you do? There's our glass button, or our diamond, I should say. There's
Glass
our diamond.
and the triangle piece of steel.
Ow, 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 ow. It's not hot, it's just pointy. Yes! Look at that. That's just pretty. Oh my gosh, just a bath full of warm Orbeez.
That would be an experience. That's something you should have at a spa. Ah.
Got it?
Yeah. Ah.
What? This is amazing.
Yeah.
Mazapaña. This has sliced up my gloves.
All right, YouTube, this is what you should be giving out instead of diamond play buttons. This is cooler.
Yeah, I want all the Orbeez to stay forever, but I know they won't.
That looks awesome.
Whoa.
Guys, over the years, Grant has accumulated some stuff. He has quite a bit of it collected by now, and some of it he has had long enough and wants to get rid of it. This isn't old used stuff that he doesn't want anymore because it's old and used. It's new stuff. It's still in great condition. So today is our first giveaway that we are actually going to be using the codes in the videos for. You've probably seen them ever since we had our Captain America Shield video. We've started embedding codes around the videos. Sometimes they pop up with letters or numbers. Sometimes the King of Random Shield logo pops up for like 1 or 2 frames. Sometimes Grant pops up and he'll salute or he'll wave or any number of things. And we're gonna be using those embedded codes to give stuff away to you guys. That's right, and today is the first time. And so here is the first thing we're giving away. We've got some of these, they're called Mighty Mugs. And here's the thing, when I saw it in the box, I thought, well, this looks silly. Who cares about that? And it's just got this picture of a person like tipping it and it doesn't tip. And I thought it was just gonna be like, I don't know, a heavy weight at the bottom. And I thought, well, that's really inconvenient. But then I actually opened it and started using it. And this thing is like, I'm super amused with this. This is actually really cool. There's a suction cup at the bottom. So if you have any sort of smooth surface, and this isn't even like a perfectly smooth table, but it's pretty smooth. It's like the suction cup has a seal on it so that if you lift it straight up, it breaks the seal and you can just pick up your cup. Like you don't feel any resistance. It feels just like picking up any other thermos. But this, like the clever thing is that if you don't pick it straight up, if you go at it at an angle, the suction cup seal catches and it doesn't tip. So we've got a couple of these small ones. We've got one of these taller ones here. Both of them, they don't fall over. I mean, you can overcome it. If you like push hard, you can get it off pushing sideways, but it's not gonna fall over by accident. You can, hit one cup with the other cup. They're crazy. I might have to end up getting one of these myself. So here's what you have to do to enter. Okay, there's a link in the description down below. That's where you're going to enter your code. And to find that code, you need to go watch our video where we blended up glow sticks in a blender. For this video, we're not using the appearing King of Random logo, and we're not using the appearing grant. We might use those in a different contest, giveaway sort of thing, but for this time, just the codes. There should be 5 of them hidden throughout the video. So, glow sticks in a blender, go check that out, come back here, link in the description, enter the code, and you could win. Guys, that's not all. We've always got more for you to see. That box at the top will take you directly to our last video. You should go check that out. The other box is gonna show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you hit this bomb here in the middle, you'll be subscribed to our channel, and that way you'll never miss out on the fun. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.